Kitchen. Tonight I'm going to make you a very simple and delicious pumpkin soup. First, you're going to cook the pumpkin and carrots until soft. Then you're going to put it in your blender with your seasoning like onion, scallion and garlic. Okay? Then and we already added a pack of Grace coconut milk. Okay, so now we're gonna put a little Maggi seasoning, then a little butter, a little. Okay, then just a little bit of salt, not much taste. And then we're gonna add our vegetables. Okay, so we're gonna allow this to just for a few minutes before it is ready. So we're gonna cover just for a few minutes. Okay, it's very easy to make, and if you're having like a party, you can serve this soup as well. So it's just a simple pumpkin soup. Very delicious. Okay. I think it's ready. So I'm gonna try. Wow, smells good too. So this is the dish, or delicious pumpkin soup. Okay, so I'm gonna try. Wow, yummy. And as I said, you can serve it at parties. You know, when your guests arrives first, this is a very nice soup to be served. Alright, so subscribe to my YouTube channel, Yvette's Kitchen, and enjoy your soup. Live, love, laugh, and enjoy life.